Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Isadri bin Hamidi, and this video is prepared for Mr. Khairul Nizam bin Abdul Halim. And today I'm going to present about my literature review for special topic in computer science. The area that I choose in this literature review is deep learning, and the title is Ambulance Detection Using Deep Learning. For the introduction, I begin with the ambulance. According to Skinner and Allen, ambulance is a physically equipped automobile that carries patients to treatment center such as hospital. Then, nowadays, people are unaware of how important to give a priority to an ambulance when they are in an emergency, especially in a traffic light or in a traffic jam. Okay, according to Hussein, the author of Harian Metro, he said that Malaysia's population is expected to increase 1.4% from 32.6 million in 2019 to 38.1 million by 2030. This will cause the increasing number of vehicles on the road will probably create a traffic conjunction on the road which can make the task harder for the ambulance in doing their job. Then, EDA is done to find the relationship between accident type and fatality from the accident. According to the chart, collision with vehicle, which is CV, is the highest cause of an accident that happened in Victoria that brings fatality to the driver. It can bring harm to the ambulance driver and the people around them if the ambulance want to get through the way if this happen. It will increase the percentage of collision if the ambulance still using the old traditional method by using sirens only to get through the way. Okay, for the literature review, which is machine learning, it categorized in three sections, which is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning is a label data, and it is also a directed feedback and the predict outcome for future. For the unsupervised learning, it has no label and no feedback, and it is also to find a hidden structure in the data. Then for the reinforcement learning, it is a decision process, and it has a reward system, and it is also a learned series of action. For the flow of the process, it begins by reading the ambulance image file. Then it enhances the image by using image processing. Then it identified the ambulance image using deep learning. The benefit of the ambulance detection are: first, it can avoid an accident from happen. Then it can give the ambulance a priority when going through a traffic light. Then it also helps people who are afraid to give a lane to the ambulance during the red light on the traffic light. Then it will lessen the time taken for an ambulance to get to their destination. Comparison, the old tradition, it depends on sirens only, while the study will implemented by depend on sirens and CCTV on the traffic light. Then for the old tradition, it is dangerous for driver who want to give priority to the ambulance, while it is more safer for the implementation of study to give a priority to the ambulance. Then for the old tradition, it takes a lot of time to ambulance driver to get through the destination, while the study will take short amount of time to give the ambulance to the destination. The challenge that may occur is first, high maintenance cost, then problem to detect ambulance in cloudy, raining or at night, and it is hardware dependent.